This is, you got it in camera. Oh, okay. Noah, what do you got there? French fry? Ketchup. Oh, wait. You're supposed to eat the French fry.
It's a ketchup spoon. Oh, the ketchup spoon.
A French fry spoon.
How's that ketchup?
You're gonna eat that?
Good digging.
You're gonna eat the fry. Eat the fry, man. That's what fries are for, eating.
No, they're for getting ketchup.
Oh, or your fingers.
Or breaking it off.
Oh, you can save that for later?
Well, I got a shorter spoon for ketchup now, but I'll still eat the ketchup. Yep.
Okay. You good? You done, Bubba?
You're done, Bubba.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, you're done.